Hi, my name is Dale. Just a short little video testimonial of my experiences with Raoul working. I came in with a major problem with welts on my knee. Had a staph infection, which I think I might have got from exposure to sort of very kind of polluted water in the sea. But I also realized there was something much deeper that was sitting there. The welts were very symbolic for me of the rage I had with my father for many, many years. And so when Raoul didn't just do the normal GP thing of throwing some drugs for me to take to remedy the situation, it was felt very kind of empowering. So we did an amazing piece with psychobinetics, where I went into a whole lot of role playing of different spaces and really got in touch with a lot of the anger that I was feeling towards my father in my life. And it was incredible how much came up emotionally. Grief and anger and other feelings came up, and it really bubbled. It was quite a very, very powerful process for me. It's helped me hugely in terms of just feeling, through this and through the other work I've done, a massive sense of peace around, and forgiveness for myself, and an awareness of when I'm feeling triggered or angry and where that's coming from, rather than being a victim of reactions to places where I feel angry. I felt amazingly supported in the process, a huge amount of empathy, which I haven't often felt when I've come to my previous kind of straight Western GP. It was very kind of sort of diagnostic. Here's the problem. What's the story? He has antibiotics. And so the support I felt and the empathy I felt from Raw was very, very powerful. And it kind of enabled me to take responsibility for my own healing, which is far more empowering for me than thinking that it's outside of my process, outside of my own inner emotional, physical world. And from that place, I haven't really had any kind of staph infections. I've had one or two little things that have come up, but they've withdrawn very, very quickly. And I've become aware also when I'm emotionally stressed when it comes up. So, and when I start managing those emotional stresses, it all seems to recede a lot. So, in conclusion, very, very grateful for the work. Very grateful that I was able to get into my body and role play what I was feeling, which was a lot of anger, a lot of grief, and feel eternally grateful for the work and for the healing. Thank you.